Hi everyone, I'm Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate at Lexis and Company. So today we're going to discuss the Patna High Court on Friday issued a slew of directions while hearing a PIL dealing with the issues of effective implementations of Chapter 21A of the CRPC that pertains to the disposal of the criminal cases through plea bargaining. The division bench of Acting Chief Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh and Justice Partha Sarthi directed the member secretary, Bihar State Legal Services Authority Patna, to present before the court a concrete proposal on how BSLSA proposed to proceed with regarding to the following issues. Issue number one was that the court said exercise of legal education or legal awareness can be undertaken not only through workshops in jail premises but also in the concerned court premises, ADR building, and other suitable places. So, in this matter, the court said that data is truly alarming that over 7 lakh cases pending due to non availability of counsels in Bihar Patna High Court. It will consider passing appropriate orders that certain doubts have been raised at the bar about the correctness of the figures compared to the actual figures. The said data is mentioned that there are above 7 lakh cases pending because of non-availability of counsel. In order to deal with the said item, we direct the member secretary, Bihar State Legal Service Authority, to seek reports through the respective secretaries of the district legal services authorities as regards such criminal cases which are pending because of non-availability of learned counsels. The Bihar State Legal Services Authority shall be thereafter required to compile the figures received from the district. The bench also directed chairperson of DLSA to examine the case which are pending because the parties have lost interest and they have become infructuous, and thereafter communicate the obtained figure to the member secretary of BSLSA Patna. So, in this regard, the court said that the joint secretary of BSLSA, Dhriti Jasleen Sharma, would be required to actively coordinate in the entire exercise, and while submitting the reports by way of affidavit, she would be required to briefly interpret the outcome of such data. Thank you.